each other's cars. It's a cold blooded
Hello! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, for sure maninibago kayo ngayon dahil hindi tayo magtatagalog masyado. This video will contain a... This video we're going to speak in English. We're going to speak in English because an international brand which is Loveee sent me this product.
Mommy, I want to talk. Mommy, what? Mommy.
So now let's open the box. The box there is this one, a card which is an instruction on how to use their product. The next one is this one, which is another box wherein they put their product inside. And also the last one is this one, which is a tweezer. So in this video, I will try a magnetic eyelashes for the first time. So as you can see, I still don't have eyelashes on right now, but I'm going to try this one from Loveee, which is magnetic eyelashes. So we all know that when it comes to eyelashes, our common problem is using eyelash glue. So we all know that using eyelash glue is very hard because it sticks on your natural eyelashes, and also it's very inconvenient when you have to put on eyelashes and you have to bring your glue, right? And also when using glue, you have to wait for a while before putting it on. But in magnetic eyelashes, you can use it instantly. This is my first time using magnetic eyelashes, so I don't know if this is totally worth it, but I will know it, or we will know it today. Is it funny?
Yes.
Do you love mommy?
Teacher, mommy.
No, I'm done with my makeup. So I will open this box so you can see what is inside. Inside the box, it contains this container. This is how it looks like. So the casing is very pretty. It has a mirror so you can use it whenever you want. I forgot the price, but I tried to look for their link so you can see what's the price and also what are the available magnetic eyelashes they have. You can see this is the upper part and this is the lower part of the eyelashes. But as what I see on the instruction, the long eyelashes or the full eyelashes, you have to put it on the top. These bottom lashes will be placed under your real eyelashes here. So it will make this top eyelashes to stick on your natural eyelashes. So let's see if I can do that. I will get the right eyelashes first. So this one. Oh, again, there's a tweezer, so you can use your tweezer if you want. For me, I will use my hand, then I will use the tweezer on the small eyelashes. Let's try it on. I will try to do it off camera. So I already put the first one, but it takes a lot of time to know how to put it on properly, and as you can see, it's still not properly. And also I read the instruction first before doing it again. At the back of the instruction is applying with the applicator. So I use this tweezer and put the eyelashes here on the top and on the bottom part and put it like this. And I must say it's a little bit effective for me, but still it's a little bit flimsy. There you go. I put it without mascara. So on the other one, I will put a mascara on, so it will make my eyelashes a little bit longer, or my natural eyelashes, and also it will become a little stiff, so magnetic eyelashes will stick a little bit more on the eyelashes. So let's try that one. Already put mascara on my eyelashes, and then I put the magnetic eyelashes on the tweezer. So let's try putting the other one on my left eye.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
I'm going to try doing it again like this. There you go. As you can see, it's already on my eyelashes, and it took me a very long time to put it on. It's very stressing. I'm gonna finish my makeup look, then I'll be back for the final verdicts. Now I'm done fixing my hair and all that stuff. Let's get into the final verdicts. So for my final verdicts, if I'm going to rate this product, I'll give it a 3/5. Because first of all, it's a first time user of magnetic eyelashes. It's really hard to put on my natural eyelashes since I also have a very short natural eyelashes. What I like about it is it's very strong once it sticks on your eyelashes, and also it looks good on the eyes even though it has a little bumps because of the small one, as you can see. The other one that I like about it is you can use it more than once, or you can use it a lot of times because it doesn't use eyelash glue, which makes the eyelashes or the fake eyelashes damaged until you have to dispose it. Thing is that since I am a first time user, it takes me more than a minute to put it on my natural eyelashes, and it's very stressful, and I hate that feeling when putting on eyelashes. I don't know if I'm happy about it. I think as long as I have it, I'm going to try using it whenever I don't feel like using eyelash glue. But still, thank you Chloe for sending these products to me, for letting me try magnetic eyelashes for the first time. So it was a very good experience since it makes me realize how patient I am. I think I'm not still used to it, that's why it's a little bit uncomfortable. In my opinion, you should not use this mirror if it is your first time using it because it's kinda hard, or it's really hard to put it on using only one hand. Maybe as a first time user of magnetic eyelashes, we should practice it first before using it on an event or what. So that's all. Thank you again for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you have any suggestions or any videos opinion, just comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you again guys for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye. Love. Mwah.
Trouble.